Want to see 5 of the best ways to earn yield through this bear market? I'm going to show you right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to do the least risky way of making passive income or yield and to the most risky. So the first one is going to be staking Casper. If you stake Casper on Casper cspr.live, I will leave links to the videos, full videos of showing you how to do this in the description of this video, because pretty much everything I'm going to show you today, I have a video showing how to do it. Staking Casper, you get 10.7% APR, or APY, I should say. It's a really good deal. Casper is one of my favorite long-term holds. Great partnerships with like Google Cloud. There's many other ones that they've partnered with. And the circulating supply currently is 11.3 billion tokens. Of that, 8.9 are staked. So that's 74.77% of the total supply. I have mine staking with my ledger, and I think this is a good way to earn a bunch of coins through this bear market. 10.7% APY. And then if you just keep compounding that, it adds up pretty quick. So my first pick, and probably the safest pick, is staking Casper on cspr.live. Okay, my second pick is Beefy Finance. There are some pools in here that are fairly safe. Beefy Finance in general has been through, I believe this will be its third bull market if we have a bull market in 2024, 2025. Been around for a while. It's been through 2 bear markets and it's made it this far, so it's fairly safe. If we launch the app here, I wanted to show you a couple pools that I'm particularly interested in. If we go here and we hit APY, okay, there's some really crazy ones that are in the tens of thousands APY. If we come down here, yeah, there we go. AVAX, the price of AVAX is way down. It could go lower for sure, but there's a Trader Joe pool, which is fairly safe, which is AVAX USDC. It's 71.38% APY. The other one I wanted to show you that I think is really good as well is QuickSwap. Matic USDC is at a 57.61% APY, which is really good, in my opinion. There's one more I wanted to show you that I thought was really good. Let's see here. Here we go. Yeah, this one here. This is a Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin USDC. It doesn't really get, crypto doesn't really get any more safe than BTC itself. So if you do wrap Bitcoin USDC in this quick swap pool, you'll earn 36.33%. And it's auto compounding because Beefy's vaults auto compound for you. So you don't have to worry about claiming rewards and then re-putting them back into the pools. They do that for you. Okay, the third one I want to cover is one of my favorites, HBAR, and Saucer Swap is the main DEX on HBAR, and they have some really cool farms. HBAR and HBAR X is 6.03% APR. There's some really cool ones down there. If we keep going down here, there's a Bitcoin HBAR, 15.07% APR. You can pair it with ETH. HBAR and ETH is 19%. And there's some other cool ones. Quant, you can pair with HBAR and get 15.56%. And it does pay out mostly in the sauce token. If we come down here, Chain Link, and HBAR pays out at 20%. a little over 20% APR. There's one other one that I like. That is the LCX. LCX is a good token. I think it'll do really well in the next bull market if we have one. That's over 40% APR. So saucer swap, since it's been around for a while, I think is pretty safe. And the HBAR token, I think will do really well if we have another bull market, I should say. And a lot of these tokens they're pairing it with, I think will do well also. All right, next we have Chainge Finance. There's no surprise that this is one of my favorites. It's a little riskier because it is a very, very low cap project, but there are some less risky choices on here. Like you can pair USDT Tether with Tether, and you can earn 16% APR and Chainge rewards. My favorites are the Chainge USDT at 39.94%. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking those Chainge rewards and then I'm putting it into the Chainge pool, the time frame Chainge pool. There's a Nexa USDT pool, which is really cool. It's almost 20%. I think Nexa is a pretty good project. Let's go down here. Yeah, here is it. The time frame Chainge pool. It's paying out at 7.99% APY. And then that gets you straight up Chainge. You're just changing your pool. You can do even Doge. They got Doge. They got Ethereum Classic. Bunch of different ones if you want to take a look. This site is this is just change.finance. On this one, I think, yeah, change.finance /info/pool, and you can see all the different pools you can get into. All right, last but not least is Loop Swap. This is risky for multiple reasons. I like Loop as a project. It's a very low cap gem in my opinion. I think it can do really, really well because it has a lot of, definitely a lot of potential. The problem with this is every single farm on this site is paired with BNB. So it kind of depends on what happens with Binance. If Binance is going to be okay and the price in BNB does not dump, then we're okay. The BNB loop pool is my favorite because you're getting over 50% APR, and that's paid out in the LSwap token. So what I do is I take my LSwap rewards and then I loop it back into loop BNB, and I just kind of build this position up. So if Binance is fine through the rest of this bear market, then you shouldn't have anything to worry about. If it's not, then you're going to have problems. That's why it's going to be the riskiest of the 5 plays that I'm showing you today. If you guys have any different passive income ideas or projects that do have, farming or staking, please leave them in the comments. I love looking at new projects or new opportunities. I really appreciate it. Also, if there's just projects in general that I have not covered on this channel that you want me to take a look at, please leave those in the comments as well. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.